Okay, we're gonna go to the next room and check out my friend Na who passed out, like, a little while ago, okay? Because he snores like a sporadic monster, like a crazed monster, so we're gonna check that out right now, alright? Let's go. Turn on the light, alright? What's up, right? Turn on the lights, everything. Do you hear that? That's him snoring. I can't go to sleep unless this guy, like, I can't sleep unless this guy is, like, in another house. So, I want to video record him because he has kept me from sleeping.